Why does your scanner show the P0512 engine code? What does it mean? P0512 is a diagnostic trouble code for starter request circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM is not receiving the correct signal to engage the starter motor. It can manifest as the engine not starting, a delay in starter engagement, or even the starter staying engaged too long. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Electrical issues, immobilizer system, battery and starting system, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volvo, Subaru, and Chrysler models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.